the DC Legions of Collectors box. Batman vs. Superman. Who's that?
Superman.
You sure?
Batman.
Yep, you're right. That's Batman. Alright, so let's get it open and the knife stuck.
Really?
We're good. All good. Get that over there. Alright. Legions of Collectors. What do we got here?
Snap.
Snap. Okay.
Snap.
Do you know whose symbol this is?
No.
No? Do you know whose symbol this is?
Wonder Woman.
Get your finger out your nose. Wonder Woman. So we got a Wonder Woman patch with the Legion of Collectors, Batman vs. Superman. Then we have a pen. And who is that?
Superman.
Yeah, who's that? You know who that is, right? And we have a Superman pen. I'm gonna be honest, he kind of looks like a greaser in the pen because he's got the black and white look to him. We got our Superman Elvis here. On the
Elvis?
pen. It's very cool though. I like it. Alright, so we've got our pen and our patch. We'll set those to the side. Now, open up the next part. Next section is the t-shirt.
Right off the t-shirt.
I've got, it's kind of a, what do you say, was that a bluish color? Bluish gray?
Bluish gray.
Yeah. Let's take a look at it. You bored?
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Oh,
A shirt.
Dad, you might want to look at the front.
Batman vs. Superman. This has the, oh, that's cool. It's in like Spanish. El hombre del acero. El caballero de la noche.
You're weird.
I'm just trying to say it in Spanish. In Espanol. Check that out. Alright.
Spanish?
So that is a cool shirt. Definitely. Alright, and then we've got the, you okay? I need to bump you. The promised armored Batman pop that was put along with it.
There's no mouth.
Almost none of them have mouths. You know that.
He looks weird.
What's this?
Batman wheel.
Batman. A Batman what?
They got Superman.
A guy.
Wonder Woman.
He's a guy.
Some
He's
guy.
a guy.
And the Batman that we have.
Does he look scary?
Another Batman
Yeah.
with a coat on. And then an armored guy.
And let's see. We'll pull out the bottom thing. Looks like the comic. And then we've got a variant comic Batman and Superman number 5. It says Legion of Collectors on the bottom. That's a cool picture. That's actually a really good picture of both of them. Who drew this?
Batman versus
I don't know any of these names. But anyway, I think that's a pretty cool design. And finally, these are a lot bigger and heavier than I thought they'd be. Of course, it got spoiled for me. But then we've got the 2-pack Dorbs that comes with it. You've got the, what they're calling, I guess, the Kryptonite Superman and, I don't know, Water
Diamond.
Aquaman dude. I don't know. But, so there's that there, which is pretty awesome. You wanna open this up?
And then the pop. Oh, I know.
Actually, does the pop have a? No.
Dad, I know.
Oh, that's nice.
And there's 2 of them. One's blue and one's green.
These are not extremely heavy, but a lot heavier than you would think they are. They would be.
Can I
Do take a look.
They're not heavy at all.
And Aquaman. No, they're just heavier than I thought they'd be. You gonna look at this guy?
Me.
You said you didn't want to be in it. Come on over here, man.
This is not heavy at all. It's like, give me that guy and see if it's heavy. No. Same, wait. I want this guy.
You want that guy? Who is that guy?
He weighs like 40 pounds.
What's his name? Nothing? His name's Aquaman.
Can I hold it? No.
You don't know much about Aquaman yet, do you?
Yeah. Not at all.
You like it, Aquaman?
Hold Superman too. It's gonna weigh.
Oh, now she's trading with you. She's sharing.
Kids, can I hold Superman now?
Well, that was a quick. You take some time over there.
Okay. Oh, you can move their heads. What about the arms?
Yeah, don't break him now.
Okay.
You can't move his arms.
Don't move his staff.
So you can turn their heads?
Yes.
That's cool.
Oh, jeez. They weigh nothing.
Oh, come on. I just thought they'd be lighter. Alright, so here's the armored Batman. And he feels light. Like I would have thought he would have been heavy. And they would have been light, but like these guys actually have some heft to them, and this guy's like really, really.
Heft? I can hold them from ease.
But he does look pretty awesome.
Can I hold him? Let me see his weight.
Scary? Oh, I didn't mean to get you scared.
That's
of him.
heavy.
You're just messing with me now, aren't you?
I can hold all three of them at the same time.
Yeah, I didn't say you weren't strong. Alright, so there we go. These are the figures. We've got Batman, Aquaman, Superman, the comic, the t-shirt. Here, we'll get everything shown here.
I'll hold this. I don't like Superman.
Okay, you're going to hold up Superman? T-shirt.
And I'll hold up the Aquaman.
Okay, hold up the Aquaman. That's cool. And then we got the...
The button, I'll hold the...
You're going to hold that up. Alright, so we got everything here. Hold it up so the camera can see. Yeah. Alright. So that's it. That's our unboxing of the DC Funko Mystery Box Legions of Collectors. And I'm happy with it. I'm not a Dorbs collector. At least I was not a Dorbs collector. But now I have some Dorbs. So my wife's shaking her head no at me right now. Because she does not want me to get into something else. But these ones I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna keep these, and that also means I've definitely got to get the other versions of Superman like this, because I do not have the pop and I do not have the mini yet. But anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Say see ya.
See ya, Pia.
Bye bye.
Join Poppin' Off About Funko on Facebook. Poppin' Off.